Have you ever looked at someone and thought, wait, they're how old? They're 45 but look 30. They're 60 but have the energy and glow of someone half their age. It's not surgery. It's not just genetics. And it's not magic. It's something deeper. Because aging isn't just about wrinkles. It's about energy, emotion, spirit. It's about how you carry your pain, how you manage your stress, and most importantly, how you live. Today, we're diving deep into 7 powerful qualities that people who look younger than their age almost always have. If you want to stay youthful, not just outside, but within, these are the shifts you must make. So before we begin, if you've ever been told, you look tired, old, or drained, hit that like button and subscribe right now. Because this video might just help you reverse all that. Let's begin. 1. They master emotional control, and that's why they look ageless. Let's get real about something most people ignore. Stress doesn't just mess with your mind, it shows up on your face. It etches itself into your skin, in the form of fine lines, dullness, fatigue. Every time you explode in anger, every time you spiral into anxiety, every time you let negativity eat at you, your body pays a hidden price. You see, people who age quickly often have one thing in common: they let life control them. They're emotionally reactive, easily triggered. A single rude comment ruins their entire day. A bad moment turns into a bad week. And while they're stuck in this emotional storm, their body is silently releasing cortisol, the stress hormone. Now here's where it gets deadly. Cortisol doesn't just drain your energy. It kills collagen, the protein that keeps your skin tight, smooth, and glowing. It weakens your immune system. It messes with your sleep. It speeds up aging from the inside out. But those who look younger than their age? They've learned to do the exact opposite. They don't explode. They don't beg. They don't chase every emotion. They've trained their nervous system to breathe instead of break. They know that not everything deserves a reaction. And most of all, they've developed the power to walk away from things that disturb their peace. Because here's the truth no one talks about. Youth isn't just a skincare routine. It's an energy. And emotionally disciplined people protect that energy like gold. They don't argue to prove a point. They don't gossip to feel powerful. They let go. They detach. They rise above. And because of that, their skin stays clear. Their smile stays bright. Their energy stays magnetic. So if you want to look younger, stop obsessing over expensive creams. Start mastering your emotions. Because when your heart is at peace, your face follows. 2. They don't chase trends, they build identity that never ages. Have you ever seen someone who's constantly chasing what's in the newest hairstyle, the latest clothing brand, the trendiest skincare hack, and yet somehow, they still look tired, drained, older than they are? There's a reason. When you're constantly chasing trends, you're constantly chasing approval. You dress not for yourself, but for the world's applause. You speak, act, and even smile in ways that are curated, not genuine. And that's exhausting. It creates a slow, quiet burnout that shows up in your energy, your posture, your face. But people who look younger than their age? They've made a powerful decision to stop chasing and start becoming. They don't follow every trend, because they've built something far more powerful, an identity. They know who they are. They wear what makes them feel comfortable, not just fashionable. They aren't obsessed with appearing cool, they focus on being real. And that authenticity? It radiates youth. Because when you stop trying to fit in, you start to stand out. You move through life with ease. You smile without needing approval. You're not caught in a cycle of comparison, and that alone removes years of emotional weight from your face. And here's what most people don't understand. Pretending is aging. Wearing a mask, playing a role, suppressing your truth, it eats away at your spirit. But people who stay true to themselves? They glow. Because they're at peace. And peace is the most underrated anti-aging serum you'll ever find. So if you truly want to look younger, stop asking what's trending. Start asking, who am I becoming? Because youth doesn't live in trance. It lives in truth. 3. They prioritize deep sleep, every single night. Let's make one thing crystal clear. If you're not sleeping deeply, you are aging faster than you should. No matter how clean your diet is, no matter how perfect your skincare routine may be, if you're sacrificing sleep, you're silently sabotaging your youth. Because sleep isn't just rest. It's not laziness. It's not weakness. Sleep is biological repair. When you sleep deeply, your body enters a sacred ritual of healing. Your skin regenerates. Your cells repair microscopic damage. Your hormones rebalance. Your brain detoxes the emotional chaos from your day. But people who age quickly? They do the opposite. They scroll mindlessly on their phones till 2 a.m., blue light burning into their eyes. They brag about grind mode, about getting only 4 hours of sleep as if it's some kind of badge of honor. They wear burnout like a trophy. And here's the bitter truth. The hustle culture is a trap. It glorifies exhaustion. But behind closed doors, it leaves people with dark circles, low energy, mood swings, and rapid aging, physically and emotionally. But the people who seem to defy age, they treat sleep like it's sacred medicine. They don't just go to bed, they prepare for rest. They protect their evenings. They dim the lights. They disconnect from chaos. They calm their mind. They understand that 1 hour of deep, uninterrupted sleep does more for their skin and soul than $1,000 cream or an expensive spa treatment. Because youth lives in your ability to recharge. And deep sleep is the ultimate reset button. So ask yourself, are you letting the world rob your rest? Or are you reclaiming your nights like a warrior guarding their temple? Because when you sleep like your life depends on it, your body responds. It heals. It softens. It glows. And suddenly, you don't just feel younger, you look it. 4. They laugh, even when life isn't funny. Let's talk about one of the most underrated anti-aging tools on the planet, and no, it's not sold in stores. It's laughter. Pure. Unfiltered. From the gut. And no, we're not talking about the fake, forced smiles you post for photos. We're talking about the kind of laughter that releases pain. That softens your heart. That reminds your nervous system, I'm safe. Science backs it. Laughter lowers cortisol, the stress hormone, boosts your immune system, enhances blood flow, and even improves your skin's glow. But that's just the surface. Because the people who look younger than their age aren't laughing because life is perfect. They're laughing despite the chaos. They've found a rare superpower, joy in the middle of uncertainty. Where others see problems, they find perspective. They joke with strangers in traffic. They smile at the barista even when their coffee order is wrong. They laugh at their own clumsiness, their forgotten grocery list, their small, human errors. And that laughter? It becomes medicine, not just for their soul, but for their face, body, and energy. Because bitterness shows up in your posture. It weighs down your face. It tightens your jaw, dulls your eyes, hardens your heart. But lightness? Lightness lifts you. It softens your features, brightens your aura, and makes people say, wow, there's something about them. They're glowing. In a world addicted to complaining, gossip, and doom scrolling, those who choose to laugh stand out like sunlight breaking through a storm. So no, life isn't always funny. But if you can find something to smile about anyway, that's when you start reversing time. Not just in your body, but in your spirit. 5. They move, not to impress, but to express. Here's something no one tells you. The body doesn't age first, the energy does. It begins when you stop moving. When your days become routine. When your body becomes still, and your soul gets quiet. People who age faster often treat movement like a punishment. They hit the gym because they hate their body, not because they love it. They force themselves onto treadmills while scrolling on their phones, completely disconnected. They move to impress, to shrink, to compete. And that kind of movement? It doesn't make you younger. It just burns you out. But people who stay young, the ones who look vibrant, light, and alive well into their 40s, 50s, and beyond, they move differently. They don't move for vanity. They move for vitality. They stretch, they dance, they go on long walks. Without tracking every step. They do yoga not just to bend their body, but to connect to it. They play. They run with kids. They jump into rivers. They don't just exercise, they express. Because stagnation is the real aging. When your body sits too long, your spirit starts to settle too. Your blood slows. Your thoughts dull. Your joints stiffen. Your face begins to sag, your energy starts to fade, and you feel heavy. But the moment you move, really move, your body remembers. It remembers what it's like to feel alive. Movement lubricates your joints, oxygenates your cells, flushes toxins, and sharpens your mind. It's like sending a message to every part of your being. I'm still here. I'm still alive. I'm not done yet. So if you want to look younger, feel lighter, live longer. Stop using movement as punishment for what you ate. And start using it as a celebration for what you still are. Because youth isn't found in a mirror. It's found in motion. 6. They stay curious like a child. That's their secret to staying young. Let me ask you something powerful. When was the last time you did something for the first time? When was the last time you picked up a book you didn't understand? Ask the question without fearing how it sounded. Or allowed yourself to be a beginner again? Because here's the truth. Youth isn't just about your skin. It's about your spark. And that spark? It's kept alive by one rare quality: curiosity. People who look older than their age usually have one thing in common. They've stopped learning. They live on repeat. Same job, same thoughts, same routine. They've closed the book. Stopped asking why. They've chosen comfort over growth. And with every day that passes without curiosity, their mind gets duller, their eyes dimmer, and their energy heavier. But those who look ageless, they've never stopped being students of life. They read new books, even if they don't have time. They explore new ideas, try new recipes, test new skills, take wrong turns just to see what's there. Their curiosity keeps their mind sharp, their heart open, and their spirit light. They may have gray in their hair, but there's a child alive in their soul, wide-eyed, playful, eager. They don't pretend to know everything. They're excited to discover what they don't. And that excitement? It rewires the brain, refreshes the emotions, and reflects on the outside as vitality and youth. Because the moment you say, I already know enough, is the moment your spirit begins to age. Not your body, your being. So if you want to stay young, keep wondering. Ask. Explore. Get curious about things that have nothing to do with your job, your phone, your to-do list. Because curiosity isn't childish, it's the key to staying alive. And in the end, it's not the wrinkles that make you old. It's when you stop learning, stop growing, stop caring to understand more. Stay curious. Stay alive. Stay young. 7. They let go of grudges, guilt, and the past. Let's drop the mask and face something raw. Nothing, and I mean nothing, ages you faster than emotional weight. Not junk food. Not pollution. Not genetics. The real poison is what you carry silently, in your heart, in your thoughts, in your nervous system. The grudges you've held for years. The guilt you've buried but never healed. The past you replay every night like a broken film. That's what's making you look and feel older. Because bitterness doesn't just live in your mind. It shows up on your skin. It hardens your expression. It sinks into your posture. It creates tension in your jaw, darkness under your eyes, stiffness in your shoulders. And over time, it rewrites your energy. But people who look youthful, no matter their age, have mastered a skill most don't even attempt. They let go. They forgive even when they never got an apology. They release even when the wound still stings. They don't allow old pain to write their new chapters. And that's what keeps them glowing. Because every time you forgive, you're not freeing them, you're freeing yourself. Your body softens. Your immune system strengthens. Your skin clears. Your eyes brighten. And your soul finally breathes. Letting go doesn't mean you forget. It doesn't mean what happened was okay. It simply means, I love myself enough to stop carrying it. I choose peace over poison. I choose lightness over heaviness. I choose to live. Because people who age beautifully aren't the ones who had perfect lives, they're the ones who healed. And healing begins with release. So if you want to look younger, feel lighter, and live longer, forgive them. Forgive yourself. Forgive the past. Because nothing glows brighter than a soul that's finally been set free. So now you know, looking younger isn't about fighting age. It's about living fully, freely, and lightly. Tell me in the comments, which of these 7 qualities are you working on right now? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs this reminder. Because youth isn't lost with time. It's lost when you stop living.